Welcome to this guide on how to use coupons on Buyee, a comprehensive tutorial to help you save money while shopping online. To get started, you need to have a Buyee account. If you don't have one, create it by providing the required information. Once you have your account, log in and start browsing the products you want to purchase. Look for the coupon section on the product page. Some products have available coupons that can be used to get a discount. To use a coupon, click on the coupon button. Then click Apply. The discount will be deducted from the total price of the product. Make sure to check the coupon terms and conditions, including the expiration date and any restrictions on usage. Another way to get coupons is by checking the Buyee website for available promotions. They often have limited time offers and discounts on various products. You can also sign up for their newsletter to get notified about upcoming promotions and coupons. When using coupons, make sure to read the fine print. Some coupons may have restrictions on how they can be used, such as only being applicable to certain products or categories. Additionally, some coupons may not be combinable with other promotions or discounts. To maximize your savings, combine coupons with other discounts and promotions, such as free shipping or bundle discounts. This can help you save even more money on your purchases. In conclusion, using coupons on Buyee is a great way to save money while shopping online. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your shopping experience and get the best value for your money. Always check the coupon terms and conditions, and look for opportunities to combine coupons with other promotions to maximize your savings.